Good morning, guys. So I'm gonna bring y'all with me. We got some data logging to do for Adam. We got this thing warming up. It's still in its cold start sequence actually, so it's still a little loud. Got our NeuroGum in, so what's up, NeuroGum? You need NeuroGum to handle something like this. I will say this, guys, we are back on a factory long block, completely unopened. The EMS one is here on a pallet. We had a couple complications with it. It's going back to them so they can check it over, make sure everything's okay. But for now, we are dialing in on a completely stocked long block. Not fun to be swapping motors around like that, but you know what? We're making the best with what we have. So let's go get in this girl, drive her around the block, warm her up, and start getting some data for Adam. Alright guys, so we are out warming up the Explorer. I tried to film this earlier, and my phone mount, I think my phone was bouncing off the mount or something. Audio sounded terrible. So I'm like, okay, let me retry to shoot this. So hopefully this is better. Hopefully we're not getting some kind of weird taser noise. This guy in front of me is going 15 and a 30. It's driving me freaking crazy. He has a NOS sign on the back of his truck. And he's pulling a little trailer, but the trailer's empty. He's going fucking 15, man. Like, pull the speed limit. Drives me crazy. But anyway, we're out data logging the new setup, getting out of some data, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, just gonna warm this pig up, get the trans up to temp and whatnot, go by the post office, run one errand for the wife, and then on the way back, we'll get into the actual like throttle part of the log. Alright guys, I came back because I want y'all to hear these downshifts. They're so crisp. They're so cool and so addicting. Like, just know, oh my god, listen. I'm not. Oh, more downshifts for y'all's ears. God dang, it sounds so fucking good. Alright, we're waiting for this light to turn green, and we're going to go under an overpass that they just recently put in over here nearby where I live. I will say this, if anybody's watching this, we have been approved, and we're actively looking for a house with some land that we can either build a shop on or that has a shop on it. So far, we haven't found anything that we exactly love yet, but we're looking a couple times a week at multiple houses. We put in a couple offers. You know, it's rough, man. House shopping sucks. If anybody's house shop, is not fun, okay? But we're enjoying the process again for the second time. And I just want to tell y'all thank you. This is all because of you guys that we're able to upscale and move into something bigger so we can actually have a shop to service you guys instead of just my 2-car garage. I cannot thank you guys enough for all the continued support and love that y'all pour my way and send my way. It's much appreciated. I'd be absolutely nothing without you guys. And I know that. So, yeah, we're excited. The wife's excited. This is the longest red light ever. There we go. Finally, we got a green one. Alright guys, so we did catch a red light, which is perfect because we got some room up ahead to kind of lay into it. We're in normal mode. He wants a 4th gear pull, and then he said he also wants a sport mode. So we're going to see how this goes. Oh my goodness. Makes my heart feel so good, dude. Listen to those
But all right, guys, as always, I hope y'all enjoy this. I know it was a super short video, but I just wanted to give y'all some real raw footage of the car, of how it sounds, of how it feels, of how it shifts. Like, the car feels amazing. It does not feel like any other Explorer I've driven because of the power band being so drastically different. But I'm also stoked that we are back on a stock long block. I didn't want to be, but I use it as, you know, hey, the EMS motor messed up. EMS is going to take care of it. They told me they would. And so we are back on a stock long block, and I can get data for everybody because I realize not everybody is going to want a built motor, and not everybody's going to want to spend the money on that. So again, we're getting data, stock long block, and so far it's proving to hold up and be really well, and potentially be better on the bottom end, making that power later in the power band. But anyway, guys, love y'all, appreciate y'all, and much more to come.